start exercise number 4.3 from question number 2. Exercise number 4.3, and today we'll start from question number 2. So the first question, 2a. The question is 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. We have to solve this equation. Now look, here there is an expression x plus 2 which is multiplied with 2. So we have to multiply the total expression by 2, and look at the rule, it's very easy. So first we'll multiply x with 2 and then 4 with 2. Means we have to multiply all the term in the expression within the bracket with the number 2. So look, if I multiply this, so 2 into x, that will be 2x, plus 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8, that will be 12. Now, okay, now next step, we'll shift this 8 from left hand side to right hand side. That means 2x will be equal to 12, and look at the sign of 8, it was a positive in left hand side. So when we move it from left hand side to right hand side, its sign will be changed into a negative, minus, or 2x is equal to 12 minus 8 means 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. That means x is equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is the answer. Now you tell me one thing. Have you understood? If anyone do you have any problem, you can reply me. Yes sir, yes sir, yes. Okay. So now let's solve question number C. I am skipping question number B. Okay. So question number C is 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 21. Now first remove the bracket, means multiply this expression by 3 and tell me the result. If I multiply n minus 5 by 3, what will be the result? If we multiply n minus 5, which is the expression in the bracket, by 3, then what will be the result? Yes, very good, very good. Pratyusha, Shoman, Sastik, Pratyush. Yes, the result will be n into 3, that is 3n, minus 5 into 3, that is 15, which is equal to 21. Yes, that means, or 3n will be equal to 21, and now 40, sign of 40 is negative, so if I shift it, so sign will be positive. Minus 15, it will be plus 15. That means 3n will be equal to, now if I add 21 and 14, the result will be obviously 36. That means n will be 36 by 3. Why by 3? Because the sign between n and 3 was multiplication. So when I shift this 3 from left hand side to right hand side, its sign will be changed into division. Now we know the table of 3 12s are 36. That means n equal to 12 is the answer. N equal, I think not minus 12. Why it is minus 12? I think Samanto. And sign also given minus answer. Why it is minus 12? In our book, it is written minus 21. Okay, in your book it is written minus 21. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's do it minus 21. So this is minus 21, that will be minus 21, that will be minus 21. Now minus 21 plus 15, what will be the value of minus 21 plus 15? Minus 21 plus 15. Okay, I am doing the problem which is given to you in your book. No, it's not minus 15. Minus 21 plus 15. Hasibul, Pratosh, yes, only Ayantak Samanta and Yash and Nandini Rai given the right answer till now. Yes, Hasibul, because minus 21 and 15 means we are subtracting 21 from 15. So we know that when you subtract a large number from a small number, then sign will be negative. So it will be minus 6. So 3n equal to minus 6, so n equal to minus 6 by 3, which is equal to 3 to the 6. So n equal to minus 2. Yes, n equal to minus 2. Yes, very good. N equal to minus 2. Now we'll solve question number D. Okay, we'll solve question number D. Minus 4 into 2 plus x, which is equal to 8. Now remove the bracket, means multiply the expression 2 plus x by minus 4. Minus 4, mind it, by minus 4. So what will be the result? Just tell me in the comment section. If I multiply x plus 2 or 2 plus x by minus 4, no, I am not asking the result. What will be the result when you multiply x plus 2 by minus 4? We'll follow the same step as we have done in the previous question. We'll multiply each term of the expression within the bracket by minus 4. Why you are writing? Okay, so Astik saying minus 8 plus minus 4x, okay, equal to is, yes, quite right. Okay, now I am telling. Look, so first multiply 4 and 2, minus 4 and 2. Now tell me, when you multiply minus 4 and 2, so the answer will be, the result will be minus 8. 4 to 8 and sign is negative. And plus into minus. If I multiply plus and minus, so sign will be minus. 4 into x, that is equal to 4x, which is equal to 8. Now tell me, do you have any problem here? Have you faced any problem? No. Okay. That means minus 4x is equal to 8 was there, and now we shift this minus 8 from left hand side to right hand side. So its sign will be plus 8. That means minus 4x is equal to, now look, 8 plus 8, we know it is 16. That means x is equal to 16 by minus 4. 4 4s are 16. That means the answer is x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. Yes, Tanisha. X is equal to minus 4. Okay, have you understood, students? Yes, okay, very good. Now, then we'll go to question number 3. I am skipping question number E also. So from this question 1, 2, we have skipped question number B and question number E. Okay, you try to solve them by yourself. So let's come to question number 3. Question number 3 is 4 equal to 5 into p minus 3. 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. From this equation we have to find out the solution. Okay, so first remove the bracket. That means 4 will be, so removing the bracket we have to multiply all the term in the expression by 5. Now you tell me what will be the result if I multiply p minus 2 by 5. Everyone please mute your mic. Okay, I have muted everyone's mic. And please students, check it by yourself whether your mic is on or not. It must be turned off. Not only 5p, Ayantik Samanto, not only 5p, yes, Pratyush, very good. We have to multiply all the terms in the bracket by 5. So look, there are 2 terms. So we will multiply each of them by 5. So first multiply p by 5. So it will be p into 5 means 5p. Then minus. Then multiply 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10. Yeah. So the result is 5p plus minus 10 when you multiply p minus 2 by 5. Okay. Now here we will do one thing. We will flip the equation. We will turn the equation. Turn means the expression on the right hand side we will write it on the left hand side. 5p minus 10, that is equal to 4. Now tell me, do you have any problem in this line? We are just turning the equation. Turning means we are writing all the expression in the left hand side into right hand side and all the expression in right hand side as a left hand side. Okay, that means 10p will be equal to 4 and we shifting this 10 from left hand side to right hand side, so its sign will be plus 10, or 5p will be equal to 10 plus 4, that is 14. That means what will be the value of p? Please tell me what will be the value of p? Yes, that is 14 by 5. 14 by 5 is the solution. Very good, 14 by 5. Don't need to convert it into decimal point, Nandini. Just leave it here, 14 by 5. Sir, why will turn the equations? Look, we always try to keep the variable in left hand side. Okay. That's why we are turning the equation, and please do not send any emojis. Okay. Shubhajit, do not send any emojis. That's why we are turning the equation. Who has asked me the question? Yes. Now do you got it? Why I am turning the equation? To keep the variable in left hand side. This is only the reason. In our book the answer is 12 by 5. Answer is wrong. Because 10 plus 4, that will be 14. If your answer is 12 by 5, so the answer is wrong. Okay, 14 by 5 will be the answer. Okay? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number B. Question number B is minus 4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. Now first remove the bracket. So for removing the bracket we have to multiply p minus 2 by 5. So do the multiplication. Shubhajit, I am telling you, please don't need to send emojis. Please, it's a humble request. Okay, so first remove this bracket. That means minus 4 will be equal to, now if I multiply p minus 2 by 5, so what will be the answer? Yes, already you have answered it. Yes, I got it. It is not actually a technical fault. I have faced this problem already. Okay, in my previous class. It's maybe technical fault. Okay, now remove this bracket. So first we have to multiply p and 5, which is equal to 5p, and then we have to multiply 5 and 2, which is equal to minus 10. Now just flip the equation, just turn the equation. So now turning the equation, we have 5p minus 10 is equal to minus 4. That means 5p will be equal to minus 4, and we'll see this minus 10 from left hand side to right hand side. So its sign will be plus 10. That means 5p is equal to, now tell me, minus 4 plus 10, what will be the result? Minus 4 plus 10, yes, that is plus 6. So 5p equal to plus 6, so what is the value of p? I hope you can do it by yourself. Yes, that is the 6 by 5. That is the 6 by 5. Hope you don't have any problem. Yes, p equal to Tanisha, p equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Very good. No problems. Okay. So let's move to question number 4, D. Okay. Let's move to question number D now. I am skipping question number C for you. So question number D is 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. This is the equation. We have to solve it. Okay. So now first remove this bracket. So we know what we have to do. 4 plus. Now tell me, what is the result if you remove this bracket? P into 5 minus 1. So we'll multiply each term in the expression by 5. So multiply it. Yes, very good. And I'm expecting answer from few more students. I can see 15 students joined with me. Yes, 5p minus 5. 5p minus 5. That is equal to 34. Or we are writing this term first, 5p, and look, plus 4 and minus 5. So what will be the result? Plus 4 minus 5. After which chapter will done? After which chapter we will do? Means after completing this chapter. Possible? Yes, so the next chapter is line and angle, so we'll do this one, lines and angles. Okay, first let it be completed first, and then we'll be think about starting a new chapter. Okay, so look, plus 4 minus 5. So what will be the answer? Quickly reply it. Yes, that is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 34. Now shift this minus 1 from left hand side to right hand side. That means 5p is equal to 34, and that will be plus 1. Means 5p is equal to 35. That means p is equal to 35 by 5. 5 7 is 35. So p is equal to 7. 7 is the answer. Yes, 7 is the answer. Sir, for what for? I think answer is 4. I am telling the answer is 4. Yes, answer is not 4. Answer will be 8. Sorry, 7. Answer will be 7. Yes, answer is 7. Very good. Okay, now we'll do the last question, question number E. So E is 0 equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6, or 0 is equal to 16 plus. Now remove this bracket. 4 into m minus 6 from this. Remove the bracket. Remove the bracket and tell me the answer. Means if I multiply the expression m minus 6 by 4, so what will be the result? Yes, very good, Tanisha. Pritush is also correct. Okay, so it will be 4 into m, 4m minus 4 into 6. We know 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. So it will be 4m minus 24. That means 0 is equal to 4m plus 16 minus 24. Now tell me the result of this portion. When 24 is subtracted from 16, so what will be the result? When 24 is subtracted from 16, so what will be the result? 16 minus 24. Tanisha saying it is minus 8, but Nandini is saying it is 8. Which is correct? Yes, Nandini, you correct yourself. The answer is 8. We know when you subtract a larger number by a smaller number, the sign we say is minus 8. Now just flip the equation. Now just turn the equation. So now turning the equation, we have 4m minus 8 is equal to 0. That means 4m is equal to 8. Minus 8, when we shift it from left hand side to right hand side, the sign will be plus 8. That means from here what will be the value of m? Waiting for your answer. Yes. Answer is right. No. We are saying Monidev, why it is 4? 4m equal to 8. So m will be 8 by 4 and 4 2 is 8. Isn't it? So the answer will be m is equal to 2. So this part is now completed. Clear? And our time is also over. So let's do one thing. We'll solve the next question in my next class. Okay? Okay. So up to my next class. Bye bye. And take care of yourself.